Let's go, guys. It's Raul TV, Team R4UL, your favorite YouTube mechanic, back again. And what I'm doing this time around is I've got a 2010 VW Golf Mark 6, that is. I'm going to go ahead and replace the rear side light bulb, rear position light bulb. Dead easy. It should take you about 5 minutes, 5-10 minutes. Let's go. Let's do it. Right, I'm doing the passenger side one, UK. I mean, I'm doing both actually. I've already took that one off. I'm going to go ahead and take this one off exactly the same on both sides. We're going to go in this way. Take this cover off, okay, and we're going to take that little plastic screw off, anti-clockwise, counterclockwise. Let's go ahead and take that off, and we'll go from there. Now, after taking that off, we're just going to go and take this plug off here. There we go, and then all we do is just push the lamp towards the back of the car. It should come off. So all we do, obviously I've took it off, but you just pull it towards the back of the car. Doesn't go towards the side or anything like that. Pull it towards the back of the car. Should come off. Then we're going to go around to this side here, and we're going to take these little clips off. I'm going to show you guys 1 minute. What we're going to do is we're going to take this clip off and move it to a side. There's one there with the flat screwdriver. Another one there. Okay. Another one on the top there. Okay, we're going to spread them, and this unit here should come off, and yeah, the bulb's on the other side, and we'll just replace the bulb. Right, okay guys, I'm going to straight up honest with you guys. This thing has never been off before, so it put up a little bit of a fight. So what you have to do, like I mentioned, you have to spread all these little clips, as you can see there. Get another helper if you can to spread them as well. Or if you've got like 3 hands, if you're like a mutant and you've got 3 hands, you could do it, right? So basically now that just comes off like that. After spreading all them, there's the bulb, the capless, big capless bulb that is. Let's go ahead and replace that. Let's go. I mean, it just pulls off the capless bulb. There's no nice way or easy way. You have to give it a little pull. That comes off. That's it. To refit it, as you can see there, I've got the bulb back on, brand new, shiny. Don't drop it like I just did. Right, so get it lined up. Get it lined up, and all we do is just push it. It should go straight in. Let's go. Right, there we have it, guys. I've got it back on. All we do is just push it back on there. Get that plastic screw back on. Plug back on. This panel goes inside there like that. Round the back here. There we go. Happy days. Job done. Let's go.